Welcome to our video, Top 7 Worst Foods for Diabetes. Today, we'll be revealing the top 7 worst foods that can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels and your overall health. Sure, some foods are simply unhealthy for everyone, but for those already managing erratic glucose levels, these foods can be especially problematic. They may spike your blood sugar and add to symptoms of diabetes, including fatigue, nerve damage, and even kidney failure. So, why are some seemingly healthy choices potentially dangerous for your glucose management? Which store-sold foods are secretly loaded with pro-inflammatory chemicals? And which of the quick hunger fix fast foods are the absolute worst when it comes to increasing your risk of cardiovascular issues and diabetes? Stay tuned as we uncover the 5 worst food offenders to watch out for. Avoiding these items may make a huge difference for your blood sugar control and your health in general. But before we dig in, can you do us a favor? Help us spread this life-saving message by hitting the thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Diabetic Circle and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our new videos. Watch till the end because we've curated 3 invaluable gifts that will empower you not just to manage, but possibly prevent diabetes. Let's get started. Number 7, processed meat. Processed meats like hot dogs and bacon aren't just tasty treats, they're loaded with saturated fats and sodium, which can skyrocket your blood sugar levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that consuming just 50 grams of processed meat daily can increase the risk of developing diabetes by 19%. Opting for lean protein sources like chicken, fish, or plant-based options can provide a healthier alternative for those with diabetes. In addition to unhealthy fats and sodium, processed meats often contain additives such as nitrates and nitrites. These additives have been linked to adverse health effects, including an increased risk of cancer. It has been classified processed meat as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning there is strong evidence that it causes cancer. By choosing lean proteins, individuals with diabetes can better regulate their blood sugar levels and support their overall health. Incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats into your diet can further enhance diabetes management and reduce the risk of complications. Making informed food choices and prioritizing whole, minimally processed ingredients can significantly benefit those living with diabetes. But processed meats are just the beginning. Up next, we'll unveil a seemingly harmless food that might be lurking in your kitchen, quietly affecting your blood sugar levels. Number 6, white bread. White bread, with its high glycemic index of 100, can cause sudden spikes in blood sugar levels, making it detrimental for individuals with diabetes. Foods with a high GI, like white bread, are quickly digested and absorbed, leading to rapid increases in blood glucose. This refined carbohydrate lacks essential nutrients and fiber, which are crucial for blood glucose regulation. Regular consumption of white bread can lead to weight gain and elevate the risk of heart disease in diabetic individuals. For a healthier alternative, those with diabetes should opt for whole grain options with a lower glycemic index, such as whole wheat bread, which can help control blood sugar levels and improve overall well-being. Whole grains contain more fiber, vitamins, and minerals, contributing to better health outcomes. Additionally, individuals with diabetes should incorporate a variety of nutrient-dense foods into their diet. Lean proteins, non-starchy vegetables, healthy fats, and low-sugar fruits are excellent choices to stabilize blood sugar levels and support overall health. Regular physical activity and maintaining a healthy weight are also essential components of managing diabetes effectively. But white bread isn't the only everyday food that can disrupt your blood sugar control. Up next, we'll uncover another common food that might be silently harming your diabetes management. Number 5, full-fat dairy products. Full-fat dairy products, such as whole milk, yogurt, and cheese, are packed with saturated fats that can increase insulin resistance and elevate the risk of heart disease, particularly in diabetics. Studies have shown that diets high in saturated fats can lead to increased insulin resistance, making blood sugar management more difficult. This makes opting for full-fat dairy products a less desirable choice for individuals with diabetes. To promote heart health and better regulate blood glucose levels, it is recommended to choose low-fat or skim varieties of dairy. Low-fat milk, yogurt, and cheese provide the essential nutrients of dairy without the high saturated fat content. By reducing the intake of saturated fats, individuals with diabetes can better control their blood sugar levels and minimize potential complications. Incorporating a balanced diet that prioritizes low-fat dairy options can play a significant role in overall diabetes management and improving long-term health outcomes. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, combined with regular physical activity, can enhance your ability to manage diabetes effectively. But full-fat dairy isn't the only food to watch out for. Coming up next, we'll discuss another common food item that could be making your diabetes harder to control. Number 4, extruded foods. Extruded foods, commonly known as puffed snacks, have surged in popularity, especially among younger adults and children. These light but crunchy treats, found in the potato chip aisle and many breakfast cereals, are created through an extrusion process that significantly alters their nutritional profile. These processed snacks are often packed with unhealthy fats, sugars, and salts. Choosing whole, minimally processed snacks like nuts, seeds, or fresh fruits can help maintain stable blood sugar levels and provide essential nutrients. A study in the Journal of Food Science revealed that extruded snacks often consist of up to 40% fat and 10% salt, with minimal to no fiber, vitamins, or minerals. This makes them a poor dietary choice, especially for those managing diabetes. The extrusion process forces grains through a tiny hole at high heat and pressure, causing them to expand into puffy shapes. Unfortunately, this process can alter the food structure, creating advanced glycation in products, AGEs. Studies indicate that exposure to AGEs can increase inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to diabetes complications. Moreover, these snacks are often coated with unhealthy oils, added sugars, and artificial flavorings. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that potato and corn-based extruded snacks contain high levels of acrylamide, a carcinogenic chemical formed during high-temperature cooking. These unnatural compounds are associated with elevated blood pressure, weight gain, and high blood sugar. For a healthier option, choose whole, minimally processed snacks like nuts, seeds, or fresh fruits to help maintain stable blood sugar levels and provide essential nutrients. But there's more to watch out for. Coming up, we'll reveal another everyday food that could be silently disrupting your blood sugar control. Number 3, deep fried restaurant foods. While a home-cooked fried meal can be an occasional treat, regularly consuming deep fried restaurant foods like fried chicken or calamari can seriously jeopardize your health, especially if you have diabetes. Deep frying causes food to lose water and absorb extra fat, doubling or even tripling calorie content and significantly increasing saturated fat intake, which can exacerbate blood sugar issues and increase the risk of heart disease. And those home-fried dinner sides, including French fries and onion rings, on their own, are also extremely high in carbohydrates and added sugars, thanks to their high starch breading. All told, deep frying your food, even at home with less processed oil options, can still increase your cholesterol and your risk of cardiovascular issues. And when eating these same foods out on the town, chances are you will unknowingly be consuming extra unhealthiness. And unfortunately, many people are eating deep fried restaurant foods at record rates. In fact, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that individuals who ate fried foods more than 4 times per week had a significantly higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes compared to those who ate fried foods less than once a week. So, why is this type of deep frying so hazardous to our health? Restaurants and store-bought fried foods are typically cooked in cheap, nutrient-stripped oils like corn, cottonseed, soy, and canola, which are high in saturated and trans fats. These fats can raise your LDL cholesterol and lower your heart-protective HDL cholesterol. Moreover, businesses often reheat these oils, increasing the trans fat content. Deep frying at high temperatures also creates harmful compounds like advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress. Consuming deep-fried foods is linked to several health issues, including obesity, heart disease, certain cancers, and type 2 diabetes. An American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found that people who ate fried foods more than 4 times a week had a significantly higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes. A meta-analysis involving over 560,000 participants revealed a 28% increased risk of stroke and heart attack for those consuming the most fried foods. To maintain your energy and proper blood sugar balance, avoid commercially fried foods as much as possible. But deep-fried restaurant foods aren't the only culprits. Coming up next, we'll explore a common staple that might be sabotaging your efforts to control diabetes. Number 2, packaged breakfast products. Packaged breakfast products such as sugary cereals, instant oatmeal, and breakfast bars are often loaded with high sugar and refined carbohydrates, making them less than ideal for individuals with diabetes. Most packaged breakfast products lack fiber, which is essential for slowing down glucose absorption and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Instead, they contain high amounts of added sugars and refined grains that can disrupt glucose management. For example, a single serving of some popular cereals can contain as much as 20 grams of sugar, contributing to blood sugar spikes and subsequent crashes. For a healthier and more balanced breakfast option, individuals with diabetes should consider opting for whole foods that are lower in sugar and higher in nutrients. Foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, or whole grain toast provide more stable sources of energy and essential nutrients without causing drastic fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Incorporating these whole foods into your morning routine can help support better blood sugar control and overall health for those managing diabetes. Before we unveil our number 1 worst food, let's pause for anticipation. To support you in managing diabetes more effectively, we're thrilled to offer 3 extraordinary free gifts we've compiled just for you. First up, we're giving away our exclusive ebook, 25 Superfoods That Lower Blood Sugar. This is no ordinary list. It's a treasure trove of culinary delights that are both mouthwatering and beneficial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Then, for those of you who relish in the joy of cooking, we're excited to present a special recipe book. This collection is packed with ingenious diabetes-friendly snacks, dishes, and desserts. These recipes promise to tantalize your taste buds without compromising your blood sugar. And lastly, you'll gain access to a breakthrough video, 30-second bedtime solution to stop diabetes. This innovative approach, the result of 20 years of dedicated research, offers a potential paradigm shift in how you manage diabetes. It's a piece of knowledge too valuable to miss. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, simply click on the link in the description below. All right, we've reached today's top choice for the food you most want to avoid and stay away from. Number 1, high glycemic fruits. Consuming high glycemic fruits can indeed lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, posing a significant challenge for individuals managing diabetes. Fruits like watermelon, pineapple, and ripe bananas have a high glycemic index, meaning they are quickly digested and absorbed, causing sharp increases in blood glucose. This can be particularly problematic for those with diabetes, as maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial to prevent complications. High glycemic fruits can significantly impact blood glucose control. For instance, watermelon has a GI of 72, making it one of the highest among fruits. Eating such high GI fruits can lead to post-meal blood sugar spikes, increasing the risk of insulin resistance and other diabetes-related complications. The American Diabetes Association emphasizes the importance of monitoring carbohydrate intake from fruits and choosing lower GI options to help maintain stable blood sugar levels. To better manage blood sugar, individuals with diabetes should opt for fruits with a lower glycemic index. Berries, cherries, and apples are excellent choices as they have a milder impact on glucose levels. For example, berries have a GI ranging from 25 to 40, making them a safer option for diabetics. These fruits provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber without causing significant blood sugar fluctuations. Understanding the glycemic impact of different fruits is essential for effective diabetes management. By being mindful of the glycemic index of the fruits they consume, individuals with diabetes can make informed dietary choices that support their overall health and well-being. So, there you have it, the top 7 worst foods for diabetes. By making smarter choices with sugars, fats, and carbs, you can significantly improve your insulin sensitivity and overall health. Opt for low glycemic alternatives, healthy fats, and unprocessed foods to support your diabetic diet. Remember, even small changes can lead to big improvements in managing diabetes and promoting a healthier lifestyle. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods are you planning to avoid? Do you have any other food tips for managing diabetes that we didn't cover? Sharing your story below could provide insights and encouragement to others navigating similar paths. If this video has been helpful, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Diabetic Circle, and hitting the notification bell so you never miss out on our new videos. And to those considering showing extra support, the Super Thanks feature is a great way to help us continue providing valuable health insights. Before you go, don't forget to check out the 3 exclusive free gift links in the description below. Thank you for watching. Remember, your health is in your hands. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and here's to a healthier you.